Hi, I'm Hannah and I work for Redi Shade. Today I'm going to show you how to install our Artisan cellular shades. These shades are great because they include command strips from 3M, they install with no tools, and they remove with no damage. Before installing your shade, be sure to clean the mounting surface with the included alcohol prep pad and let dry fully. Also, make sure that the trigger end of your shade on the right hand side is fully depressed. These shades come that way, but if yours doesn't, don't worry about it. It's super easy to fix. All you have to do is press here at the trigger end until you hear a click, and then you are ready to install. Now to install your shade, make sure that the tab side of the pear strip is facing towards the window and peel the adhesive liner from each strip. Then, place the fixed end of the shade into the desired position in the window frame and raise and position the trigger end as well. Press the trigger inward towards the glass and lock the shade into place. Now your shade is firmly secured in the window. If your shade is not firmly secured, make sure that the correct shade is going in the correct window and that you took the correct window measurement. In the case that your shade still has a little bit of wiggle room, you can add the Simple Fit spacer that's included in your package. To add the Simple Fit spacer, simply remove the fixed end, like so, slide on the Simple Fit spacer, and then replace that fixed end back into your shade and reinstall. Installing our Artisan cellular shades is that easy, but if you have any problems at all, feel free to give us a call.